Alright, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube, welcome back to my channel, Danny's Adventures. This is Danny J speaking. So, in the past, y'all have seen me do videos on SeaWorld and Aquatica, but I've never done one really on Discovery Point. For those of you who don't know, Discovery Point is the third park we have here on site across from SeaWorld San Antonio, which is right over there. And then Aquatica, which is right over here. So today, let's change all that. Let's take a tour of Discovery Point. And it's right down there, past the Discovery gift shop. And let's go. There's the hours right there and the Discovery Point sign. Have to forgive me, guys. My voice sounds a little choppy. Allergies. Here's the main gift shop, SeaWorld store. There's Coaster Starbucks coffee. Well, Coaster coffee. But it's half Starbucks, half Funnel Cake Shop. So here's the entrance to it. Welcome to Discovery Point. They finally opened their Dippin' Dot stand. So for those of you who are unfamiliar with this park, it is actually a cousin of its sister park, Discovery Cove in Orlando. The only difference is, unlike Discovery Cove, this park's actually a bit smaller. And unlike Discovery Cove, this park is actually included with your SeaWorld admission annual pass or ticket. So over here we have our dolphin pool.
Watching the dolphin. Out here watching the dolphin. Yeah. Can I ask the lady, does a dolphin?
Oh my gosh, that's perfect. That is
They get social groups, they get to go to water, they get to do interactions, they get to have some playtime with friends.
And over here, they're doing tricks with the dolphins right now. And over there underneath that really nice porch over there, that's where you would get in the water with the dolphins and swim with them. That, of course, is an extra charge. Prices do vary depending if the park is busy or not on the day that you should decide to do it. On the slow days, they usually give a discount. Usually the price, at least when I did it, originally was $225, but it was a slow day, so they cut it down to like a 100 or so. But that was 2 years ago, so the prices might be different. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's head down to the underwater viewing. Here's a way.
closed, sir.
Oh, are y'all closed?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So the dolphin underwater viewing is closed at the moment. Oh, what a bummer. Let's walk through the sharks real quickly. Darn it. That's too bad that the dolphin underwater viewing is closed. Oh well, I guess things happen sometimes. So the Sharks Coral Reef exhibit is actually remodeled. So let's go. Wow, look at that. What y'all just saw is the big iconic circular shaped tank where you walk in. It's been here since the park opened in 1988. These are the same fish I saw at the San Antonio Aquarium in my San Antonio Aquarium video. You'll have to forgive me, guys. My voice is a little weird because of allergies. Here's some stingrays. Now this aquarium is remodeled. They now have marble flooring, whereas before they had carpet. Oh, look at that giant tiger shark. She looks pregnant. Oh, look at these. What are these fish called? Doesn't say. They used to have the placards in front. But in this exhibit in particular, there's Caribbean reef sharks, tiger sharks. I think they have lemon sharks in there, but I'm not sure. And nurse sharks. And a lot of giant fish. See the nurse sharks right there? They're just laying there at the bottom. They have seahorses over there, but it's crowded, so let's keep moving. Over here they have animals like eels, different kinds of crabs walking around the floor, different types of fish. Thanks, buddy. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that was the Sharks and Coral Reef exhibit aquarium. Unfortunately, I was not able to get into the Discovery Point underwater viewing because it was closed. They haven't said exactly why. I don't know if it's due to maintenance or remodeling, but yeah, it's closed. But anyway, as you can see, yep, Discovery Point is actually fairly small compared to Discovery Cove. But if you ever get a chance to check it out, it's nice. It's a very peaceful park. Not a lot of people know it's here, so. And over there they have the Ocean Treasures gift shop. They have different things, glass dolphins. They have wooden frames, things like that, or of that nature. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, hopefully next time I come and do a video on this, that the underwater viewing will be open. But anyway, if you enjoyed this video, again, sorry that I wasn't able to see all of it because the dolphin viewing was closed. But anyway, if you like this video, go ahead and like and share this video, and please hit subscribe for more great content.